This is Jamie with Bar. In this video, we're going to show you how to use the corrected row on the variance support workflow to check whether the adjustments you're suggesting are reducing or increasing the variances. Quick reminder, the variance port is designed to allow you to see where there potentially are errors in your counts and calculations and correct them so that we can have more accurate results as well as learning from where we're making errors, so hopefully we can over time reduce the number of errors. So in this instance, we have a situation where we have 7 bottles too many of a product. So we previously had none delivered, but today we counted 0.3 of a case. So that doesn't make sense that we'd have magically grown the amount, and we must have either had some previously or some must have been delivered. The challenge here is that the customer has made two issues. One is they've said increase the current count by 5. The problem with that is the problem we have too much of this product, and so that's going to make the variance even worse. The second issue is that when they meant, I believe, 5 bottles or 5 servings, it would be, they adjusted by 5 units, which for bottled beer is going to be 5 cases. The way we can uncover all of this is see that the original variance was 7 bottles or 29% of a case. Now, after the correction, you can see that the corrected values show down here in blue, and our current count has increased. So when we say we have 12 bottles in house and the current count after the adjustment is 5.3, that would be cases, we know we've got an error. Additionally, we can look at what the variance was before, which was 0.29 of a case over, and now see that that variance has in fact grown. It's further away from 0. When we have a variance of 0, that means that the number sold and the number poured equal each other. So either if the missing amount gets bigger away from 0, or in this case is negative and gets more negative, then it's a sign that the adjustment you're making is not helping the situation, and it'd be time to kind of rethink, check it out. So what we're going to do, and this is the benefit of having a Bar account manager, is we'll override this adjustment, we'll reject this adjustment, and then we will update the current count to 12 because the client has helpfully provided notes, and then we will make an adjustment to the previous count so that if we have 12 today, we'll presume there were 12 that last time, so that we're not showing a negative missing amount or a gain, and we don't inflate the numbers because of an error. As always, thanks for watching, but that's how we can use the corrected row of the variance support to understand if our adjustments are helping or hindering our results. Thanks for watching.